Good morning, everybody. Today is Monday. We are doing better than the market is doing. You guys are probably getting tired of hearing that, aren't you? We got Frank first in the chat today. What's going on, Frank? Paul Kalani. We've got Crypto Rocketeer, Paul Shredda, Mr. Simon Brozinho. How you doing, Simoninho? Paul Donnell, how are you doing today, Donnell? Kalani, Pika Powers, Slack Queen Hubby, what's going on? Kalani and Mark. Good morning to all you guys. Let's check on the market really quick because, we're just going to do a quick check-in here and see how bad things are going down today. AMC actually green, so AMC's not doing too bad. Really bucking the trend in the overall market. We like to see that. AMC sitting at 1667 right now, up almost 1%. Shiba Inu coin is down about 2% on the day, sitting at 2352 right now. Where did it come down to during the night, man? 2233 is what it bounced off during the night. Bitcoin also falling. We see Bitcoin down here in the bottom left. Let's put that on a 5-minute chart here. See where that bounced off of. Bitcoin fell down to 38.2. Shiba Inu coin fell down to 22. So very similar price action with Bitcoin and Shiba Inu coin kind of falling off there throughout the night and then trying to make their way back up right now. We've got, let's put that back on a minute chart. GameStop on the bottom right is in the red today, sitting at $137.31, down 2/3 of a percent, sorry. The NASDAQ having a very difficult day today. NASDAQ, unfortunately, sitting almost 1% lower, sitting 0.75% lower, and I do believe we've got a little further to go before we reach this support line down here. Good news is, if this inverted hammer decides to hold up, maybe we turn around tomorrow and see some upside action there. It's necessary. We need some green. Prague is currently in the red as well, down 0.5%, sitting at 95.5 cents. Farming getting blasted, touching a new all-time low today. 1243 right now, down almost 4% on the day. Ethereum down, Shiba down, Bitcoin down. Sundial slightly above green right now, sitting at 52.25. Mullen Auto 1.29% higher, sitting at $1.50. CEI down 8.5%, 76 cents per share. We got a nice green candle coming on there, though. SPY down over 1.5% today. BBIG up 3%, but still pretty low at $2.31. Highcroft Mining having a pretty difficult day, sitting at $1.40. And even Netflix, when you thought that the losses couldn't continue on, they did. Netflix sitting at $207 per share, down 3.5% today. So we've got our work cut out for us if we want to see some green. Morning, congrats on 79K. Nick F, thank you very much. 79K never felt so good. Thank you to everybody who clicked subscribe on the channel there. Appreciate all of you guys. Kalani doing great in here with the bro family. Donnell, glad to have you in here with the bro family. Thank you, GME, for finally getting me a PS5. Frank, you bought a PS5, man? For real? I still got a PS3. Can't believe you guys are all like 2 systems ahead of me. Good morning, Alice. What's going on, Alice in Wonderland? How are you? Mr. Claybro, the best of the internet. Diego de Paula. Diego de Paula. My gosh, that's a fun name to say. Diego de Paula. You're the best of the internet, man. You got the best name, though. How do you feel about Safe Blast? Can't bank. I don't even know what Safe Blast is, man. Good morning, Markel. Good morning, fellers. How you doing? Smash that like button. Good day from Sweden. Whoever the Fud Killer. Good day from Ohio. Glad to have you in here. Hopefully the day turns out actually better than it's been going so far. AMC, yes, in the green. Literally everything else in the red. I mean, even GameStop's not following AMC into the green today. And Highcroft Mining's down, so I know a lot of AMC investors are also in Highcroft, but very difficult day it's been so far, but we're making it through, guys. We're making it through. AMC did come down to about that $16 level. I believe pre-market it actually hit 15 something. Let's see. So, yes, pre-market AMC touched $15.95. So really bounced right off that $16 level before beginning to move higher today. So, hey, hopefully, listen, it's okay. If today is the last red day, I can deal with it. I can deal with it if today is the last red day. Why would I think today's the last red day? Well, I mean, it does seem like we're approaching that support level. It does seem like we are trying to bounce higher. So whether we get stopped right in this area, right in here, which is what happened the last time on the NASDAQ, and then it turned back around a little bit, whether we get stopped in this area right here, or we do end up falling all the way down to 12.5, I would accept the reversal. tomorrow. I would accept one of those reversals that has eluded us for so long. But the SPY also really, really falling towards that level of support right there. So everything falling towards these levels of support, I would hope for and imagine we would be seeing a bounce here pretty soon. So that's what we got on the dailies right there. We need some action, guys. Good morning, bro. Bought some Doge following the FOMO about the news of Elon buying Twitter. Hopefully it plays out like when I got my ape. Boom, AR. I hope it does, man. I hope it does. Wouldn't it be hilarious? Wouldn't Elon be the ultimate troll if he just bought Twitter and then shut it off? That would be funny, man. Oh, gosh, that would be funny. So, yes, I assume that with Elon potentially buying Twitter, right, they have not accepted the offer just yet from the latest things that I've seen. But if he does, I would imagine Dogecoin could be used on Twitter's platform. Volt looking good in a red day. Red day. Volt is looking good in a red day. Now I gotcha, Hoover. Now I gotcha. Look, anything that would be green would probably look very, very good today. So I'm sure AMC is extremely enticing, knowing that it is one of the very few green investments in the world right now. It's sitting at 1675. That has got to be nice. And, the good thing is, too, we are right around this level of support right here at, the upper 17s. So hopefully, if AMC is able to break back through that, the next level we've got in mind is $20. So, I would love a nice rally. What is that? $1.60 times? That's about a 20 or 30% rally that we could be seeing there before we really get back above this $20 level. So that would be beautiful. Clint, thoughts on loading up on Ryoshi's vision? It dropped hard, but I'm thinking with all the burns to come, the price could rocket. This close to getting a couple trill. Call me a whale. Boom, Kalani. Look, Kalani, here's my thoughts on that, man. Absolutely. I do think that there is a great chance that Ryoshi's vision, now being a part of the community, I'm going to sneeze, guys. My allergies today are messing with me. Being a part of the ecosystem, right? Being brought in or adopted in, it's going to have that certain flair to it. And yes, it is these burnt Shib tokens pay out in Ryoshi vision. However, I do think that once other tokens join that burnt Shib deal where you can earn in other tokens, I would expect people to jump ship on Ryoshi vision and invest in or lock their burnt Shib in another token. Why? Because they're going to have to compete based on returns. So I would imagine these other tokens are going to be offering a higher return. These other tokens, you're going to initially have a larger percentage of the burn pool. So you would therefore get greater rewards. So yes, Ryoshi vision possibly short term. Yes, Ryoshi vision being one of the first movers on these burns. But be careful with Ryoshi vision longer term because, there will be competition that rises up and really gives them a run for their money. So that would be my thoughts on that, man. MP Alice, congrats on 50. Pika, thanks for the follow on Twitter, and congrats on the Queenie follow. No problem. Gotcha. No problem is what NP is. I'm like, what is NP, man? NP. What is NP? That means no problem. Hopefully Elon enables all crypto to be used on Twitter, helping the entire market. That would be pretty cool. And you know what? I don't know why it couldn't be done that way. I truly don't know why it couldn't be done that way. All you would need to do is simply hook up your wallet address to your tipping button or whatever that is, and you should be able to receive. Hoorah! Twitch community is awesome. 15 followers already. Nice, Frank. Nice. Are you playing the PS5 on Twitch? What are you playing on Twitch, dude? Thank you on there for crypto, but mostly Shiba. Alice, one of that. Nice. Alice, I'd be happy to follow you. I'd like to achieve an 8 to 10x and dip. Dude, I would love an 8 to 10x on anything, man. I would love an 8 to 10x on anything. So, Queenie is so elusive that it's an accomplishment if you gain a follow. Yeah, Outdoor Smile. Definitely, man. Definitely. I think she only follows like 175 people, so yeah. What up, Clay? What's going on, MetaPockets? How you doing, Simon? Yeah, I sold out to receive a crown. You gotta do what you gotta do sometimes. That'd be awesome, Mark. Clay, were you so happy, Shiba Queenie fell? You know what? Yeah, a little bit, Danelle. But it's all right. I mean, it's all right. I don't post anything anyway. What is she going to see? A picture of Chipro and maybe the occasional snake or something. I don't post anything on Twitter anyway, so it's okay. I followed her, though, so I was wondering how she was able to send me a DM. But I follow her. That's why she was able to send me the DM. Okay. Little update, guys. AMC still in the green, up 1.5% right now. Not too bad there. Shiba Inu coin down 2%, sitting at 23.48. GameStop loving the declines today, sitting at 1.59% lower, $136.02. Farmy trying its best to hit some all-time lows right now, sitting at 12.41, all-time low touch today of 12.38. If we don't get the news from the shareholder meeting today, I'm flying to China, and I'm going to let them know that they need to give us that news there. So I'm very disappointed with this company. I expect, like last week, a release at the close today talking about the shareholder vote there. So we'll see that at the close. Hopefully in this afternoon live stream we'll get some news, and then this bad boy will turn green, and it's going to be nice. Man, I'm thinking about some eye drops after this live stream. My eyes are super dry. It must be some pollen in the air today. Sundial currently sitting. Yeah, Sundial's green. I don't want to look too much on Sundial and all those other stocks there because I'm gonna hit CEI and it's an 8.5% loss. Moji, I see you. Mo, I see you. Nice. Good morning, Pugnacious. Where's Moji? No Moji. No Moji. Moji. PS5 Sat Battlefield, whatever that is. 2042. Sun Gran Turismo 7. This is his Saturday, Sunday. Today, this is his playlist. Today, maybe Planet Crafter on PC. Tomorrow, maybe XCOM. Nothing for sure, but that's what I'm planning. Very nice, Frank. Very nice. PancakeSwap burned cake tokens worth $58 million. Dude, that's a huge burn. Pika, that's a huge burn. Gosh, get the hair back here. Come on, what are you doing? It's a huge burn, Pika. Campervan canceled. Ken Griffin. Campervan not canceled, man. Things will rebound. We're going to be doing good, man. We're going to be doing good. Campervan, just put it off a little bit longer. Beach day today. Moji is in Hawaii with a beach day. Market will crash this year. Vengeance. The market is crashing right now, man. The market is doing nothing but coming down. We do have support right here, though. Okay, we got some support at 12.5, which seems to be where the NASDAQ is trying to go. So, dude, I don't know, man. Beyond that, it's just like, that would be a devastating loss to go back to 2020 levels in the overall index. I mean, my gosh, everything, all of the gains that we have seen since the lows of 2020 could be given up here. Could be given up if we see some more declines. I am not looking forward to that. Dude, I would hate it if the NASDAQ lost another 50% from where it's currently at and dropped to 6,600 points. Whoo! No, dude, that would be a severe crash. That would be a severe crash. We need some gains in here. Enough with it. Look at this. Like, this is just a terrible day. 4,000 shares being traded. Like, nah, dude. Dots with no action. We don't like that. We need some gains. I gotta catch back up in the chat. Good morning, all you glorious apes. Frodo, good morning to you, man. Alice, if you're in Hawaii, and not only do I see you, I'm jealous. Not only do I see you, I'm jealous. Oh, man. Well, I'm not in Hawaii. Well, the weather here in Ohio is really nice today. I think it might rain a little bit later, though. Hawaii looking beautiful. A market's taking another beating. Yes, it is, Moji. Yes, it is. Now's the time to just go on like a month-long vacation and come back and see where the market is when you get back. Because literally watching it every day, like I know we live stream and I know we have a lot of fun in here, and I know that we've got the market going on kind of in the background. But literally, if you just look at it every day and you're like, oh my gosh, just tick up, just tick up, just tick up, it can consume you, right? And it does get very difficult mentally to watch it every single day like that and see nothing but red and red and red and blood and blood and blood, and then you're just hoping for something, and it's not really the right mentality to have when you're investing. If you're trading, I mean, you got to take it. You got to take it. If you're buying in, buying out, buying in, selling out, buying in, selling out, and going back and forth, a couple times a day. But it does become very difficult if you're investing longer term, and you see that. Chris, man, thank you for the super chat. Chris says, "Hola, simos con manos de diamante." Yes, we have diamond hands, man. I hope everyone is good. A rain day, so forgot it was Monday. Worked overtime Saturday. Woke up late, forgot my wallet, and found $80. Oh my gosh. Chris, dude, how do you find $80 on the ground? Oh my gosh. How do you find $80 on the ground? That's ridiculous. Yeah, right. We know Chris robbed some old lady today, didn't he? Chris robbed some old lady. Roulette wheel. Thank you very much for the super chat. Chris, you found roulette wheels $80, man. That's where the super chat came from. You found roulette wheels $80. Now I know what it was. Oh my gosh. Roulette wheel. I mean, I don't know how to find Chris, but you guys might need to hook up there and get something going on. Who in the world finds 80? Chris, today's your lucky day, man. Today's your lucky day. Chris, you should tell the stock market or something to turn around right now because, yeah, you're seeing some favor today, man. Oh, $80 on the ground. Nice, Chris. What's up, Summoning? Yo, what's going on, Toad? Hello, English Toad. I'm Howley in Hawaii. Roulette wheel. How you only seeing green today, man? You must be 100% invested in AMC right now. If you are, today could be a good day, guys. Green across the board for you. I like it, but everything else pretty much seems to be in the red today. Alice, enjoy. Why is everybody in Hawaii right now? I need to be in Hawaii right now. Come on. 10% to the church, Chris. Let's go. 10% to the church. That's only it's only $8. You could give an offering to it, make it just $10 even. We love you over here, bro. Good work. Boss Life, the business. Thank you. I don't often see your name in here. Is this the first time you've ever chatted? We love you over here. Good work. Thank you, Boss Life. Appreciate that, man. We actually do. Look, Chris comes in. This is how lucky Chris is today. Chris comes in. Hawaii meetup. Pika Power. You're not even joking about that. Everybody's in Hawaii already. We might as well just go meet up over there. I agree, Mark. Pika and Mark, you guys got a good idea there. Look, Chris walks in the chat. Right here, 12:04, boom, starts the green candles. Chris walks in the chat, boom, starts the green candles on GameStop as well. Chris walks in the chat, boom, starts the green candles on Sundial. Chris walks in the chat, boom, starts the green candles on Mullen Auto. Chris, what do you got going on, man? Because you are really turning the tables on things, and green candles are coming our way because of you, my man. Or it could be roulette wheel by manifesting the green there. All he sees is green. He's looking at a very short-term graph with the green candles there. I like it, guys. What about ApeCoin? It's taken off. YNB flight. It is ridiculous. What is ApeCoin doing today? It's had an absolute amazing last couple of days here. I got to find Ape, though. I don't know where I got my Ape at. Ape. Ah, come on. Where is it, man? $17.56. ApeCoin gonna be going for an all-time high here pretty soon. ApeCoin looking amazing, man. Sitting at $17.57 right now. Pika Power, all you guys that are in ApeCoin gotta be feeling pretty good about that right at this moment. Chris! Dude, Chris, keep that $80, man. Don't be giving it all to me. Thank you very much for the super chat, Chris. Coworker let me borrow $7 to get a drink at the gas station. Saw money on the ground, yelled, "Stop the truck!" It was $20. Going to get in, saw another $40, leaving, saw one more against the curb, paid $20 of forward, paid $20 of forward to the coworker. Nice. Oh, Chris, man, that is amazing. Dude, somebody must have dropped a wad of cash or something and had it blow over. Dude, stop the truck. He sees a $20 bill. Oh, my gosh. Oh, man. Chris, that's a lot of money to find in one place. Dude, wouldn't it be hilarious? Somebody was doing one of those YouTube videos where they stuff a bunch of cash out right in front of the gas station, see who's honest and who's not, and Chris just went and found... Chris just went and got recorded taking a bunch of money off the street. No, Chris. No, Chris, congratulations, man. Finding $80 is awesome. Especially the fact that it wasn't all rolled up in one or something. You found it over a bunch of different places. Facts on that. ApeCoin hype. Oh, yes. Facts on that. Pika. ApeCoin is doing amazing right now. How long until we see the Shiba burn portal affect the price of Shiba? A long time. Slot Queen hubby. I'm not going to lie, man. I do think that it's going to be a long time before we see the burn portal really affect the price. I did talk a little bit about it in my video today. And, you know, we've burnt 12 billion coins in the last, day and a half. If we kept that pace up, it would still take us 2 years to burn 1% of the Shiba Inu coins. So, I think we are drastically improving, though. We went from burning 1 billion a month to burning 12 billion in, the last day and a half. So, it is drastically improving. But we've still got a long way to go. Sameninho, 11-month member chat. Is it 10 months? But it says 7. It is 11 months, man. Maybe you're stuck on 7 months for some reason there. Sameninho got the 11-month member chat coming in. Thank you very much for keeping that green name. And yes, we've got that. We've got that. And the salt. Thank you very much. Sameninho. I didn't get into my eye that time. Oh, mostly because it was a member chat. Gotcha. Not a super chat. Simon, thank you very much, man. Appreciate everybody that's got a green name out there. Oh, it's 11 months. Yeah, man. Nobody even knows how much it is anymore. Nobody even knows what's going on. Can feel good things coming. I did look around to make sure nobody dropped it, and then hop in the truck yelling, go, before they think I stole it. Yeah. Go, 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 go. Get out of here, man. We got $80. Let's go. Once found $300 working security, and they mailed it to me after it wasn't claimed from University Lost and Found. Nice, Cassie. That is awesome. Dude, $300 is a lot of money to lose. Was it in a purse or just randomly $300 laying there? Thanks, guys. Absolutely, Sameninho. Congrats. Oh, I don't know who this Bucky guy is, but I like it. Mr. Simon, congrats on all the months being a bro. Big power. I've been working like Grandpa Barney. There you go, Chris. There you go, man. Stacking up. Also, picking up Spanish, being a good supervisor, and learning to communicate with my coworkers. There you go, Chris. I like it. That's why he's got those diamond hands, man. Coming in here yelling that Spanish at me. I like it. Let's see. Do we even go over a little recap of the market? No. Netflix down. Highcroft down. BBIG still up, but coming back down a little bit. SPY starting to come. Chris walks in the chat, and the SPY starts taking back off. I'm noticing something here. We've got CEI still down 8%. Mullen, $1.50. Sundial up 1.5% right now. 52.72. Bitcoin, Shiba, and Ethereum all down right now. AMC, 2% higher on AMC. Farmy stuck at 12.44 today. Prague sitting at 95.67. GameStop 135.88, and the Nasdaq sitting at 0.4% lower. I like the bounce on the Nasdaq there, 12.789. I think that's probably a green candle from the open. Yeah, we get a green candle from the open today. Not bad at all on the Nasdaq. It may have found its bottom. Let's put it that way. Ooh, Shiba Inu coin getting some green candles in here too. All right, Shiba, well, you heard us talking about you, didn't you? I see it. Man, Chris, you're bringing good luck to the markets today. I like it. Don't go anywhere. Somebody myself. Oh, no. Are you a ghost? Don't do it. When the Fed Reserve are raising the interest... Harris, you know what? I actually don't know when the next Federal Reserve meeting is, but I would imagine it would be then. I don't know what the date is on that. Burn portal for Shib is just the beginning. Who knows how many billions of Shiba will be burning every day a year. Roulette wheel. Exactly, man. Exactly. I mean, if you're talking... And look, I don't know how sustainable this burn portal is, right? I mean, think about it. You're still burning your own coins doing it. And it could be sustainable, but we could run into a lot of people, who burn, they get it out of their system, and then they stop off. If it remains and it grows, and then the Metaverse is burning, Shibarium is burning, and we've got everything burning, yeah, dude, we could be burning 8, 10, 20, 50, 100 billion coins every single day. And listen, I know everybody has that short-term mentality when it comes to wanting these prices to rise. I do too. But if you're looking at the burns, even if we're burning 100 billion a day, it's still going to be 2 weeks before we burn before we burn 1 trillion, and then it's going to be, you got to multiply that by 5. So you're looking at what? month and a half before you are really able to burn. Oh, jeez. Before you're even really able to burn, 1% of the supply? So you'd still be talking about burning 5 to 10% of the supply over a year-long period. You might be talking a 5-year to 10-year outlook before a drastic portion of the supply is burnt. Because we got to remember, after a while, burns should slow down as the price is increasing. Right now, it's kind of low, so it's much easier to burn. But as burns continue on, the supply is going to be scarce, and then the price might go up, and it might be a little bit more difficult to burn. Shib's getting warmed up for a run, Pugnacious. It's getting warmed up for something. It's because Chris is in here, man. Chris is making everything go up except for farming. The NASDAQ doing very well right now, bouncing. GameStop is not really bouncing, but it isn't falling anymore. Prog back in the green because Chris came in here. Farmy sitting flat at 1240. AMC looking very nice, bouncing higher. Ethereum, Shiba, and Bitcoin all going on a nice little run. Sundial even going through some steady gains throughout the morning here. Mullen Auto bouncing back to life a little bit, up 2.70%. CEI bouncing back. Dude, Chris is bringing the luck today, man. Chris is bringing the luck today. I like it, Chris. Keep it coming. Sitting at Hard Rock Bar, I saw a dude jackpot for $18,000. They said cash or check. He said cash. Received a full envelope. Went to the bathroom. Accidentally left it on the urinal. The dude was crying. What? Outdoor smile. Oh my gosh, man. Oh my gosh. That would be messed up. Dude, how does your mind? Was he drunk? I mean, how does your mind not remember that envelope? Gotta put that thing in your pocket. One time, I saw a $100 bill at a gas station by the hot dog condiments. After a reel, found the original owner of the $100 bill and returned it. Not quickly grabbed it. Oh, gosh. Roulette wheel. Nice, man. Nice. I get this feeling I may know you, as a lover and a friend. But this voice keeps whispering in my ear. Tells me I may never see you again. No. English Toad. Good song, man. Simon, way to go. I didn't see what Simon said. I like turtles. Derek, me too. Guys, the Spanish I'm saying is straight copy and paste. Still don't understand Spanish. Good deal, Chris. What is WHEDG? Way to go, I think. Man, if only all the business adopted burn portals, sucks the bigger entertainment is no longer around. Yeah, dude. Yeah, that would have been pretty cool for them, right? Especially, I'm thinking too. Burns aren't that bad. Like, think about it. If you were to pool, like Bigger Entertainment was doing, if you were to pool 1 billion Shiba and then burn them, or if you were to pool 1 billion Shiba and then burn them through the portal, like Shib Burn Token with Matt Perry, dude, all of a sudden, you're going to be receiving some decent rewards as that person that pools all of those tokens together and burns them. You know what I mean? You're going to own like 1/10 of the burn pool. And if you keep doing it on a monthly basis, because you keep your channel alive or whatever, and then you're able to consistently burn, and you're burning through that burn portal, you can walk away with some decent passive income from burning Shiba that way. Sold on my Doge. Promasa. Doge was up today, right? What was Doge doing today? I thought Doge was up. Yeah, Doge was up today. Doge was up very nicely today. Doge was down to like 12.2 earlier, and now it's at 14.2. Very nice. This is on speculation that Elon Musk is going to be bringing Dogecoin into Twitter, I believe. So, hey man, if you're taking your profit, very nice. I like it. Dogecoin has been relatively stagnant, like all other cryptocurrencies, for quite some time. And if you go back to November, Dogecoin was sitting here at 30 cents, man, all the way up here at like 33 to 35 cents per coin, and now it's sitting at 14. Lost 50% of its value since November, really like everything has. I mean, everything is down 50+% since November. It's not just Dogecoin, but very nice gain, 8+% today on Doge if you're sitting there. Papa John's sitting in the green. We like Papa John's in the green. What else we got here? Skyworks going higher again. Man, we were talking about this stock not too long ago. This is the daily chart, bouncing and looking very good, sitting here at $10 per share. I think it had some volatility after hours, though. No? When was that? I thought it sold off after hours a little bit. Maybe not. Maybe not. Sitting at $11 high today, and people making money in Skyworks as well. Yellowstone acquisition. I thought it was Skyworks or something, what they bought with the commercial airplane dealings. ATER down a little bit. Snap, I forget why we looked at Snap, but Snap is currently up on the day, 2.5%. BRQS, this is another one of those social media stocks a lot of people talking about here. It had this Dragonfly Doji, boom, did come back down a little bit, but it still seems like it still wants to move higher. So interesting there. Ooh, man, Claris Therapeutics, dude, they just released something about cancer, didn't they? What is this? God, I hate these companies, man. I hate these companies. Oh my gosh, dude. This is pathetic, dude. These companies are pathetic. Dude, they come in here, their shares are soaring. People are making some great money, right? All of a sudden, we're going to dilute the stock. We're going to raise $30 million. Oh my God. They go out to raise $30 million by diluting the crap out of their shareholders, selling like 30 million shares. Oh, man. That is tough, dude. With a market cap of $21 million, they're going to double their shares outstanding, more than double their shares outstanding. Yeah, 24 million shares outstanding. They're going to go sell 30 million shares. Of course you're going to get blasted. This is, oh, man. That makes me sick. It makes me sick. Nice. The company's got $30 million now. What do their investors have? 52% loss. On the day. God. Can't stand that. Hopefully this Michigan dispensary stop helps Tilray go up a few bucks. Would be nice if it worked out like that. Chris, it would be nice if anything went up, man. I agree with you there. ApeCoin's still up, right? John, ApeCoin is still up from a minute ago. ApeCoin's still looking good, man. Ape sitting at 1782. Actually a little bit higher than it was a minute when we were looking at it. Up 5.90% for ApeCoin there. Gains are rolling on, man. White sneakers, you're speaking my language. What did white sneakers say? Where's white sneakers at? I didn't even see it. What did white sneakers say? Come on. I don't even know where white sneakers is. Let's see. I hope one day I find a crypto that takes off. Sly Queen, Helby. Don't we all? Don't we all, man? ApeCoin is real deal. Stonks. Yes, ApeCoin is the real deal at the moment. ApeCoin is doing very well today. Any news coming up for Shiba Inu Shibarium? Not necessarily. So, I haven't heard anything specifically about Shibarium, but Wellies, which is going to be like fully integrated onto the Shibarium blockchain, has an Ask Me Anything the 27th, which is in 2 days. They got an Ask Me Anything in 2 days. And I don't know if Satoshi's going to be there or not, but Satoshi was hyping it up. So hopefully they talk about how Shibarium is going to be integrated into the Wellies, I guess, logistics or supply chain. And we're going to get a little bit more clarity on how Shibarium is really going to, I guess, improve Shiba Inu coin. Outdoor Smile. Thank you very much for the super chat. Outdoor Smile says, new song for you. Oh God, what is this? So won't you ride with me? Ride with me. See where this thing goes. If it's meant to be, it'll be. It'll be. Baby, if it's meant to be. I know that was terrible. Oh gosh. So won't you ride with me, ride with me. See where this thing goes. If it's meant to be, it'll be, it'll be. Baby, if it's meant to be. I have no idea how that song goes, Outdoor Smile. But thank you very much for the super chat, man. And thank you for making me embarrass myself in front of everybody. I have no idea how that song goes, though. If you own crypto, you will see your value increase. Crypto is going to blow your mind. Yeah, dude, I really do believe longer term. It just sucks to watch it shorter term. English Toad, yes, I need to learn it first. I need to learn everything. I love Georgia Line. Country is my soul. Oh, no, now I know what song that is. Baby, if it's meant to be. Yeah, no, I know that song now. Outdoor Smile. Now, I know what song that is now. I can't sing it, though. But I know what that song is. It reminds me, you got me last night. Thought I was first to comment on an AMC video, but it was ApeCoin. Deleted my comment, because if the fake Clay Bro is going to spam my comments, it's going to be for AMC. God. Oh. Yeah, I specifically did that for you, Chris. I specifically did that for you. No, man, I was looking. There was, like, no new information on AMC last night, and I was thinking about doing another AMC video, but over the weekend, I had, like, 1,700 views and then 1,200 views, and I'm like, all right, look, I'm going to do one. ApeCoin's doing very well lately. I'm going to do one on ApeCoin, so I decided to do one there. But don't delete your comment, man. Commenting on something, it helps YouTube. So even if you comment thanks, man. Even if you just comment thanks, it helps YouTube see that you're engaging with the content. And then they're like, okay, maybe we should have more people see this video. Chris, don't be deleting comments now. Been staking my Molly NFTs. Oh, bro, some people think that Ape can't keep the momentum. I don't think that. The status that his community has obtained would leave their token go down. So, look, dude, I do think it's not necessarily possible to keep the same momentum. They've been doing extremely well lately. You know, they've been doing extremely well lately. And sorry for the sniffling, guys. I'm really... my allergies are killing me right now. They've been doing extremely well, and it's not, I guess it's not impossible to want them to continue at the same pace, but come on, man, let's be honest, they're already a very, very high market cap coin, and the momentum may slow. Doesn't mean that it'll turn around, it doesn't mean that they'll see losses, but momentum may slow. Been staking my Molly NFTs in their beta version of their staking software, earning tokens that will get traded for Molly token when it drops. Molly's secret collection dropping this week. Frodo, is that going to be similar to this ApeCoin? When ApeCoin dropped and you got the ApeCoin. Dude, if Molly takes off, man, and you got a bunch of Molly coins that you're going to get airdropped, that's going to be sweet, man. Lots going on this week, but I'm still here. Shredder, love you, man. For real, everybody that is here right now, thank you. I know the market is facing some difficult times. I know people are tired. I know people are mad. But thank you for at least hanging out. And, I definitely appreciate that. So I do want to say that for everybody that is in here right now. Oh, my gosh. Having a good time. So the total supply. So Laquan Davis, the total supply of Shiba is still going to be right around that 549 trillion level. Even though we've been burning a lot, and we've burnt like 12 billion in the last day and a half, 2 days. You could probably say like the last week, honestly, because not much was going on before that. A billion, you need 1,000 billion just to get to 1 trillion. So even if we were to move it to 548 trillion, we would have to have basically 1,000 weeks like we've had in this past week, or 100 days like we've had in really the last 24 hours when burns picked up. So it's not going to be easy to take that number down. It's going to take a while. Stop listening to the country. Got my dog back, my truck back, my house back. Nice, Moji. See, that's what happens, man. I bought only $500 of ApeCoin when it was 13. I should have invested more. Giovanni. That's always the 2020's hindsight, though, man. If you're looking at it, and of course, if you're making 50% on it or whatever you'd be making right now, of course you would have wanted to invest much more than that. But you never know if it's going to go up or down. That's the thing. A snippet for Pika. You can't hide your lion eyes and your smile in a thin disguise. Thought by now you'd realize there ain't no way to hide your lion eyes. No, English Toad, there's definitely not. I'm tired of the Fed. Me too, man. Me too. I wish the Fed would come out with a little bit of confidence. There's use a country music to make the prisoners break and talk. Roulette wheel. I've never heard of that, but if that's true, that's sad. Only 16 likes. Seriously? Oh my, there's better be more than 16 likes. I'm seeing 40 likes, dude. If there was 16 likes, I was going to shut the stream down right now. My man's got to eat, y'all. We got you, Clay. Ought to get a big pack of ramen before inflation catches up. I should get the big pack of ramen before the inflation catches up with me, man. It's getting out of control, isn't it? Molly token will be similar to the ApeCoin, except that Molly project is not as widely known as Upward API Club, so the Molly token won't be as high of a price as ApeCoin until the Molly project blows up big. Dude, not really nothing. What is as well known as Bored API Club, though, in the NFT world? Very, very few things. Who do you think would be the only honest and realistic one in the Shiba's future? Danelle. I wouldn't even know how to come back tomorrow if I was, like, built on lies. Late at night, a big old house gets lonely. I guess every form of refuge has its price, and it breaks. You guys with these songs, man, I don't know what's going on. Beautiful Pika, yes it is. So with the Shiba Army, things that a bone could get up to $200 because of its market cap. What do you think? Do you think? So AR, no, not with its fully diluted market cap. With its current market cap, yeah, I do think you could see a 400x increase with its current market cap on the current outstanding supply, because I swear it's like $1 million, man. It's very low. What it's at? Let's see. Nope, bone, not bobe. $4 million market cap, man. So yeah, with a $4 million market cap, it could 400x and be fine. It would just be around $1 billion market cap then. So I do think that it could drastically see some increases in price. But remember, you got to find that money somewhere. It's got to pour in from somewhere. And people got to believe in its future. With a fully diluted market cap of 144 million, I would highly, highly, highly doubt that you'd see an increase like that. Jeremy, thank you for the super chat. Been stacking bone up to 115,600 bone. Market cap is, so Jeremy, market cap is the price. Oh, gosh, I'm gonna sneeze. Hold on. Market cap is the price multiplied by all of the tokens that are outstanding. So if you wanted to buy every single token that is outstanding on Bone, this is going to get bad. If you wanted to buy every single token that is outstanding on Bone, currently you'd have to pay $4 million to own every single one of them. If you wanted to buy every single token that could ever be outstanding, you're looking at $144 million. So it's basically the price times all of the coins that are outstanding. Zachary, thank you very much for the super chat. Zachary says, Elon and Twitter, a rise in Doge starting now. Yes, man, Doge was doing very well because of Elon Musk and Twitter there. Up 8.5% today, sitting at 14.5 cents. And what is Twitter doing today? I have not even seen Twitter. Twitter's up 4% today. Anybody know? I don't know the exact. It was 52 or $54 where Elon Musk came in with that offer. So I don't know exactly what price it is, but hey, if it gets accepted, you still got another $2 to make in Twitter there, $2 to $4. Pika got her karaoke swerve on. The legendary secret collection Mollies. They will send, and I didn't miss something there, did I? No, I didn't miss something. Legendary Secret Collection Mollies. They will send the owner a full-size painting of the legendary NFT to hang on your wall. Nice, man. That sounds like it could be pretty cool, too. I love that song, Pika. I don't even know what song. You guys know way more songs than I do. Driving through middle of nowhere right now. Losing signal on my beeper. Nah, I mean... Dude, you better not have a beeper. So if things start going red, had to hop out. No, Chris, dude, don't leave us right now. Look, Chris, we got these green lines, man. Farmy's doing pretty well because of you. We've got Shiba doing very, very well because of you. GameStop's bouncing back because of you. AMC still on the green, man. Stay with us, Chris. Stay with us, please. What is the bone price if market cap is 1.5 billion? Oh, good question. With the current outstanding coins, it's going to be different with total outstanding coins. How many coins were currently outstanding? We'll just say 7. With the current outstanding coins, it will be $214. Okay? It would be $214 with the current outstanding coins if the market cap was 1.5 billion. With total coins, 158 million. They must have burnt some. Yeah. $9. $9 if all of the bone coins are minted is what you're looking at with a $1.5 billion market cap. Oh man, where are we at? Let's see. Did you No, so Eddie, we have not had the results of that meeting yet, so I have not dumped Farmy yet. I don't know if it's going to be a good decision or a bad decision. I'm waiting for the results of the shareholder meeting. Also, Minute Nightclub OG Mint happening later this week. Not too late to get into the nightclub business in the Metaverse. There you go, man. You can call it the Snake Lounge or whatever. Like Tom Haverford in Parks and Rec. I'm still here. Glad everything is I'm not in is going up. AMC ain't really moving either way. Yes. A glass half full. Chris, it is a glass half full, man, because AMC could be going down. So glad you're keeping it stable for us. Alan! Bravo. Bravo, bravo. Alan, man, bravo. Bravo. Alan, bravo, man. Incredible. Alan, thank you very much for that super sticker. Really appreciate all you guys sending super stickers today, man. When should I sell Doge, and when do I sell? Should it be a partial? Same with So, Kent, you know, I guess it all depends on whether or not you have a trader's mentality, you know, more of a short-term mentality. If you plan on holding for the future, like what your goals are. Are your goals to trade, sell and get back in, sell and get back in, sell and get back in? Or are your goals to hold and see, you know, the entire crypto market go from 2 trillion to 4 trillion? To 10 trillion, to 50 trillion, to $100 trillion over the next 15 to 20 years. It's not exciting, right? It's not exciting to say, dude, you know what? 15 years from now, I'm going to be 48 years old. Dude, 1, I don't want to think about being 48. 2, I don't want to think about waiting 15 years for something. But 3, you know, if we 50 to 100x in the overall crypto market, and you know we've got these new coins that are coming in here, and you 100x, and all of a sudden, man, you're sitting on $900,000 in a cryptocurrency that you just set aside. I mean, your 48-year-old self is gonna be like, dude, thank you. I could really use this $900,000 right now. That is amazing. You did good, Clay bro. You did good. So sometimes the long-term mentality isn't sexy, but your future self will thank you for it. Pika Power, you're number 1. You're number 1. You're number 1. You're number 1. Pika, thank you very much. You are number 1, Pika. Thank you for that super sticker. Clay, last year you set, I think, Shiba do you know when that was? I did do that. No, probably October or November. Probably late October or early November would be my guess to know, but I don't know. I don't know when that was. It was still a little cold out, but like just really cold enough for a hoodie, so it wasn't terrible, but I don't know exactly when that was. Pika is queen of the chat. Ooh, Queen Pika. Pika, queen of the chat today. I like it. I'm all about the long game. John Mayo, you got it then, man. All about the long game, no problems. You really will. Like, imagine if 10 years ago you invested in Bitcoin. 10 years ago. And now you were like, oh, thanks, man. You bought one Bitcoin for like $5. Now you got $40,000. Yeah. You bought $100 worth of Bitcoin. And you're sitting on 20 of them. Yeah, you'd be doing very well, man. You'd be, ew, there's $800,000 for me right here. Don't mind if I do. So, yeah, the future self will thank you for being patient. Your future self will thank you for investing. And your future self will thank you for thinking of your future self. So, have that mentality, and I think you're going to be good, man. Could win a bear market? Clowny. I would say yes, okay? I would say yes. And let me say why, okay? And if we're not in it yet because of the pullback, if some people would consider this just a correction, but not necessarily a bear market, here's what I would say. With interest rates rising and inflation rising, we are going to see, if we have not already seen the impact on companies' earnings, if earnings are not falling right now, we will likely see companies' earnings fall due to rising inflation and interest rates. And if we get to that point where we see rising interest rates, rising inflation, and falling earnings, that is like, it's a recipe for disaster, okay? And that would be a bear market. Companies are earning less, and it's more difficult for companies to earn more, and investors are being rewarded to go to bonds, CDs, bank accounts, and so on because of the interest rates that they're receiving there. So everything is pointing away from the stock market at that point. Now, here's the difficult part that not a lot of people are thinking of. All of this could turn on a dime if the Federal Reserve says inflation seems to be under control now, and we're not going to have to raise interest rates anymore. If we do, it's going to be very selective. Inflation, wrangled in. Interest rates, they might be inflated for the time being, but they're not necessarily rising anymore. And at that point, if there's no supply chain issues, if companies are still able to earn, earnings can start to creep back up. And then we're back in bull market territory. We made it through the beast. You know, that's the thing you got to keep in mind, dude, is we are facing a very, very difficult market right now. Kind of thinking to myself, so I do not have to rely on 67. Dude, Kent, absolutely, man, absolutely. You know, how ticked, and I'm not saying this is like going to be, how ticked would you be if I did wait 30 years, 35 years to retire, right? And then I'm like, oh man, I'm finally going to get this Social Security. And then it's gone. And I did not invest in my future for myself. It's not selfish to think about yourself, right? A lot of people might try to make it that way. It's not. You got to look out for you. I mean, you really do. And if I'm sitting here going to bank on Social Security or retirement from the government paying my way, no, that's a bad way to think about it. You got to think about your future and invest in your future. You will thank you for doing that. Passive income for owners of land on any road. Advertising income, toll roads. So, yeah, Wap Mamas. Oh, I like it. Wap Mamas. I don't know what all is going to be integrated into the Metaverse. I don't know every utility that they're going to be bringing out there. So, you know what, too, guys? Please, if you do, so I'm going to be participating in the Shiba Inu coin Ask Me Anything. I hope I might be able to set up a time, especially if there's more like West Coast YouTubers that are going to be doing this Ask Me Anything on Friday. But I hope to at least speak a little bit closer to the beginning because, one, I know they're probably going to run into technical difficulties. It's supposed to start at like 9 p.m. And, dude, I don't want to be sitting there waiting to speak for like an hour and a half on a Friday night. So hopefully I'm able to talk a little bit closer to 9 p.m. Eastern time. And then if some of the California guys want to jump in a little later and talk, then they can. But if you guys have questions, okay, either tag me in your questions on Twitter or get them out in the chat right now. it's not guaranteed. I'm only allowed like a maximum of 2 questions, and I don't know. One, I want to ask questions that they're going to answer. I want them to be tough, and I want them to be a little bit revealing about Shiba Inu coin. Not necessarily when Shibarium. They're going to tell us soon. When Wellies. Well, when Shibarium comes out. When blockchain. Well, when Shibarium comes out. I truly don't think that they're going to tell us anything about time frames. Clearly, they're not even going to talk about price. I'll talk about price all day because we can sit here and look at a technical breakdown of it. For some reason, they probably don't even look at the charts. So they might not even know how. But if you guys got questions, get them out there. I want them to be tough, dude. I don't want them to be softball. Like, I see that Shibarium is going to be very cool. Do you think it's going to help the price of Shiba Inu coin long term? Or do you think it's going to make Shiba Inu coin better? Yes, I do think it's going to help make Shiba Inu coin better. Like, no, dude, no softballs like that. Maybe, I see that Shibarium runs on Bone. I'm not much of a developer myself, but would you consider Shibarium a level 2 Bone blockchain instead of a level 2 Shiba Inu coin blockchain? And if you would still consider it a level 2 Shiba Inu coin blockchain, what's the difference? Speak to me from a developer perspective as to what's the difference in why it's level 2 Shiba Inu coin as opposed to level 2 Bone, even though Bone is being used to pay the gas fees. You got Polygon out there, and Polygon isn't using Polygon's not using Dogecoin to pay for things. So there are some things that I do think we should hold these guys accountable for, and in the same way get a better sense of what they are capable of. Because I truly don't think that they're capable of doing anything to Shiba Inu coin. Giovanni, honestly, man, I have not been keeping up with the lawsuit the settlement between Ripple and the SEC, man. Very sorry about that. Apparently, really, Social Security should be abolished and the same funds be reallocated personally. Kalani, dude. Yeah. I don't know, man. Like, I get it if... I don't know. It's tough, man. It's tough. And I do think that people became way too reliant on Social Security. You are not necessarily supposed to live off of Social Security. You are supposed to stay alive on government assistance, which is what Social Security is. So I don't know, man. I don't know. Like, you got bread and water for the week. You're gonna be alive. Like, that's it. We just don't want people dying on us because they literally can't afford a loaf of bread or something. So I do think that people have taken that a little bit too far. And I agree. I would rather, personally have my personal account out there and be responsible for my future than paying in and all of that. Let's see. Adam! Thank you very much for the super chat. Adam says, fist, bump, fist, bump, fist, bump, fist, bump. Adam, man, thank you very much for the fist bump super chat. Appreciate all of these super chats today, guys. What's your take on Kumu Inu? I'm in at the moment. Thanks for your input. Adam, I'm going to be honest, dude. I've never seen Kumu Inu. I'm going to look it up right now. And it doesn't even show up for me, man, on CoinMarketCap. Oh, Kuma. That shows up. Alright, so I don't know too much about these migrations moving over to Kuma V2, but it does seem like, we got another meme coin here with the Inu. Look, dude, very similar price action to Shiba Inu coin, right? Running up to its all-time high back in October and steadily falling off ever since. So, very, very similar price action with Shiba Inu coin there. You guys can see that ran up back in October, and it's been selling off ever since. I would imagine if the crypto market takes off again, you would most likely see this coin go up again if it still has. Look, it's got a lot of people watching it. It's on 485,000 watch list. Holders, not a ton, but it's still got 25,000 holders, so that's not too bad either. But I honestly have never seen that coin before today. I just want to know what the plan is with Shiba with a solid answer. Yeah, pugnacious. That's basically, and here's the thing. I think that might be like too broad, too all-encompassing, and I don't want to give them a chance to just give a generic answer either. So, what's the plan with Shiba Inu coin? Well, the plan is to build out this ecosystem so that we can create growth and create opportunities for Shiba Inu coin to grow in the future. Yeah, man. Yep. No kidding, it is. So I do want to be a little bit more specific and things like that, but I think we can come up with some good questions by the end of the week. Soupy Chatty. What's up, Soupy Chatty? Happy Catty, Super Chatty. Oh, Soupy Chatty. Now I get it. Vengeance, Super Chat, Soupy Chatty. Yes. 8 bags strong. Love it. Clay is third. Third what now, man? Third what? Doing well, thanks. How are you? Shiba Inu 3,000 easy. Parka, let's get it. 3,000 points per coin. I would love to be back in the threes. Shiba Inu coin having a beautiful day today, sitting at 23.92 right now. Really bouncing off those lows earlier. Already up 150 points from where it was at like 22.30. I believe at some point throughout the night. So I like the fact that Shiba is posting some green candles. Happy Caddy, a lot better now that you've arrived. Ooh, yes. You're hiding from me. Now there's something in the way that you're talking, and the words don't sound right. And I hear them all moving inside. You go. I'll be waiting when you call. Man. Could you imagine if songs just were like chat? It would sound so weird. Let's see. I'm amazing, thanks to Ape. Your ApeCoin is doing very well. Yes, we've got AMC, guys. Just a little brief recap here. AMC still in the green, trading sideways over the last hour or so, but still in the green, up 1.77%. Shiba Inu coin doing very well, trying to come back in the green today, sitting down 0.19%, but at 23.92. GameStop posting a couple green lines. Still red on the day, $137.69. Farmy trying to give back a couple of these gains that it had here, sitting at $12.48 right now after bouncing up to $12.66. So a little bit of volatility, but still not a ton of action. Had 233,000 shares sold in this minute alone. So clearly the volatility is kicking up. I'd rather see, I don't want to see this. This I'd rather see than this here. So people buying, people selling. A lot of action going on here in farmy territory, which we should have the announcement later today about their potential reverse split or not. This is big news. The NASDAQ turning green on the day. Very nice for the NASDAQ, bouncing back into positive territory, sitting at 12,853. That green candle on the day has got to look pretty good to everybody out there right now. We need to keep that action up. So a little bounce in the NASDAQ. Good to see that. AMC, we saw that. Ethereum, Bitcoin, and Shiba. Sundial, 1.60% higher. Really not doing anything over the last hour or so. Slightly trending higher, but not a lot of action there. Mullen Auto still in that $1.50 range. CEI still down about 7-8% on the day. SPY trying its best to bounce back, but was very deep in the red earlier at about 1.5% negative on the day. PBIG up almost 5% right now, sitting at 236. Highcroft down 7% at $1.39, and Netflix still in the red today, 3.63% lower, sitting at $270. Wow, you wish. $207.76. So a lot of action going on. Hopefully the green continues into the lunch break. It's like loaning the government money. They may say it's not, but I just don't believe it. Survivors, the deceased workers, accounted for 11.7% of the total benefits paid in 2020. Yeah, that I actually do believe too. Launched my gaming channel this weekend. Please give a follow and thank you. Twitch, Frank CFV. Yeah, man, if you guys want to watch games, man, Frank's been playing some games. He's got a PS5 now. BTC attempting a break above 40. That's what we need, man. None of this below 40 nonsense. I believe a break above 40 is going to help Shiba Inu coin as well. I want to see Bitcoin break like 50 and Shiba Inu coin break 35. You have a happy kitty. Meow. Fall at your feet. Crowned house. More than 1 in 8 20-year-olds will die before reaching age 67. And that money they worked for and pains in Social Security meant nothing and stays in the system. I guess I have a personal bias. No, dude, I don't think you got a personal bias about it. I think, well, maybe it's personal because you feel that way. But I do think that you share that bias with a lot of people as well. Do we still think AMC will squeeze? So Tin Fish, yes. I still think AMC will squeeze because the short shares have to cover, right? That part doesn't change. How high does it squeeze? I don't know, man. I don't know. If it starts to run and people get excited about it the way they once were, I'm still on for the high numbers. If you just base it off of the attention that it's getting right now, I don't know how high it's going to run. We've got a severe drop-off in the amount of people that are looking and searching for AMC stock and excited about AMC stock. So it's just, I think people are getting tired. I think people are getting tired and looking at it less, but still holding. So I would say yes, it's still going to squeeze. I just don't know how high it's going to squeeze. And we do not sell Tin Fish. Yes, AMC will squeeze when the shorts cover, and we do not sell. Chris, absolutely, man. Absolutely. That's how you squeeze to an even higher price, is by not selling as the price starts to rise. As I said, it doesn't matter how much money my portfolio loses. They have to cover all that they shorted. Shredder, that is exactly right, man. They will not get away with not covering the short shares that are out there. AMC's going to squeeze tomorrow. Yes, roulette wheel. It's always tomorrow, man. You got it. Love you to know, Pika. You understand the strength of a 10 men in your hands. It was another time. It was another place. All is not lost, and it's not gone to waste. Interesting. English Toad, congrats on being king of the chat. Is English Toad king of the chat today? Did I miss it? Oh, English Toad is king of the chat today. Boom! King, and then I'm pretty sure Pika was crowned queen, so it looks like we got a king and a queen today. Roulette wheel does not know that for sure, so newbies, don't be naive. Yeah, that's just what we say, man. That's just what we say. It's always going to be tomorrow. AMC and ATER green on the day. LFG, yes. Dude, we really need some greens. Look. This is how difficult it is. Farming, giving back gains. We just talked about the NASDAQ being in the green. Giving back those gains now. Now it's back in the red. GameStop falling back down a little bit on very low volume here. Look at these candles. These aren't even candles. These are just dots. These are just dots. Shiba Inu coins steadily moving higher. I do like that. But AMC moving sideways, and the SPY trying to move higher, but it's running into a little bit of trouble here in the 420 range. So we're going to have to see what goes on with that, but kind of selling off just like the NASDAQ is selling off here. We've had about 5 to 10 minutes of red candles in a row. We can't deal with that. We can't deal with that. No. We need some gains, guys. We need some gains. None of this reversal stuff. And you know what? I think it's probably because we're live. Once we're not live, we're going to see a nice green candle come on the chart, and we're going to see a rally into the afternoon stream before we come back on in the afternoon stream. Oh, man. It is a couple cents away from an all-time low here. Find me a couple cents away from an all-time low. People selling off for no reason right ahead of the shareholder meeting. Terrible. All-time low hit on Farmy right now with 586,000 shares being sold. That is devastating because once that news comes out that they didn't get a reverse split, you're going to see a nice run in Farmy there. And people are selling off like crazy. Dwight, thank you very much for an end of the stream super chat. Dwight says, still bullish on Clay, bro. Dwight, man, thank you very much. And look what time it is. Dwight says, I'm taking the first shout out at the end of the stream today. Dwight, man, thank you. Chris, thank you. Roulette Wheel, thank you. Pika, thank you. All of you guys that sent a super sticker and a super chat today, thank you very much. Dwight, I'm absolutely grateful, man. Thank you for that super chat there. And let's get your names in the chat right now, guys. We'll do some shout outs, and then we will be back for the afternoon stream. So, Dwight, first shout out of the day. Thank you very much. Hopefully you enjoy your lunch break and you do come back a little bit later. Appreciate the super chat, man. We've got Danelle, Dwight, Sagard, Queen Pika Power, changing her name. I love it. AR, English Toad, Danelle, Cassie, Chris, man. Hopefully you have a great afternoon. And you're not working today, right? You said you're not working? Or you are working, I forget. Mark, Sagard, English Toad, Queen Pika, Frank, Moji, Outdoor Smile, Shredda, catch you later, Yorkie Inu, Parka, DD214, Alice in Wonderland, Shredda, Frodo, have a good afternoon, SD, if you're out there, Nick F, if you're out there, Lauren, if you're out there, Stephanie, if you're out there, AMC Trapper, if you're out there, Crypto Rocketeer, if you're out there. Hope all of you guys have a great day today. And SD is in here. Yes, I like it, man. SD is in here. Later, everyone. See you later, SD. And you guys know what time it is. So if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next. Oh, Crypto Rocketeer's in here too. Boom, baby. Dabbing on them like always. I like it. Now you guys can say it with me. Say it with me. Till the next time. Hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.